seriously can't believe I just bought this thing. I wasn't really ready for this, but it happened and I just pulled the trigger, honest. So that's what I did. I did a full send. Wasn't looking for this vehicle actively. It's just one of my favorites, and I knew that one day I would own one, and here it is. And what makes it even better is that today's my birthday. So yeah, happy birthday to me, right? All right, ready? Open them.
Oh God! Yes, guys. Wait, I want to look inside. How do you open it? Like, oh God, this is super crazy. It's really pretty. There's so much space. So much space. Perfect to go tripping. Oh, Dad, look it.
How comfy are they?
Oh, they're so comfy. They're so squishy. I love the tint. I like the pink tint. The peachy, yeah, the Dad, peachy color. Did you drive it? Was it fine?
I did drive it. I drove it all the way here.
Oh, I thought half hour. El Chapo.
You like it?
Yeah.
Introducing El Chapo. Oh, you got a dually?
I do.
Get the fuck out of here. That's a pickup? Oh shit, what you hauling with that? That's what we going out in?
No, we're not going out in the Chapo. No way.
Oh, that's not the gas tank. We out.
Oh, cool. I don't know if we'll get parking. This guy's long, dude.
Congratulations, bro.
Thanks, little bro. Appreciate it.
Now, when I buy some motorcycles, don't tell me you can't pick them up.
For real. Here we go.
Oh my God. Dude.
We're gonna get.
You better buy a couple fucking cows or something now.
Dude,
Congratulations, that's badass.
I can't keep waiting and asking people for rides. I gotta do this on my own. So I went out, I did my big boy thing, I put my big boy pants on.
So you can fucking pull whatever you need to pull.
Whatever I need. Yep, all day long.
God, that's fucking smart, Chris.
Yep, so.
That thing right there will last you. That truck will probably outlive you if you fucking treat it right.
Yeah.
Fucking awesome.
Yeah, I mean.
All right, you're not coming to Texas. I think with the position you're at right now and what you got going on, bro, you're about to start making some fucking cash money. Good idea, man.
That's my plan.
Congratulations, happy birthday.
Thank you, bud.
So fucking jealous.
Oh, it's called to say
I've
happy
been trying to
birthday.
talk Christina into selling the house and getting a fucking RV and saying fuck it and traveling around the United States and homeschooling the kids, but she won't buy in. He put his hands up, but
It's called to say happy birthday.
All right, I love you.
We're gonna go out to eat and grab something,
Mr.
some
Free
food.
Bird living in the cage.
Oh, my camera. Bye. Bye.
We love you. Bye. Hey, man, be nice to this thing, man. I like it. Yeah? I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. I was kind of hoping you'd call me and tell me you changed your mind or something, but
Yeah.
we are gonna miss it. It's been a good truck, so.
You said you had it for a few years, so.
Yeah, my brother had it before me, so it's been around. It's been in the family, so yeah. I think you're getting a good one anyway.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Wasn't excited about the taxes, but.
Yeah. All right, man.
Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
I really do.
Yeah.